Hello, pawb yn ôl. Mewn agres hon, ni wedi gwneud... Wait, did I just do that wrong? Please don't say I did it wrong. Hang on, hwnna yn fact task 8, ddim 7. Okay. Task 8 sydd yn I creu o cefndir. Cool. Now, hwnna mewn syml. Ni angen creu our... Pryd wedi cael I 8 eiliad, because apparently that's the number I've decided, subconsciously. Sydd probably ddim 8 eiliad, ond pryd ti'n cael rhywbeth similar i'n byth fi'n cael, a mae'n you know, it's on point with the beats, and it gets to that drop, blank, and then does the dun, 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 dun. Anyway, point is, when we get to there, mae'n dechrau cael yr cefndiroedd. So, yn gyntaf, say goodbye to Mr. Line. Now we have Jerothy himself. Drag over, Control C, delete it. So that's pressing del, delete. And when Control V, bring it back, and that gives it a new entity, a new image, another life. Press this button here to group images, neu Control G, byddaf ti eisiau. So now I'm putting gwestiwn ni gael I mesgo pas gyda. Cool, cool. Now, mae'n rhaid I ni mynd fan hyn to the interweb, which is a dark, scary place. Mynd mewn, type mewn space. In caps, preferably, because space is cool. Let's ffeindio llun sydd yn appropriate. So let's say this. Copy image. When mynd mewn I hon. Control V. Llenwi tudalen as much as ti gallu. Hwna byd ni eisiau. Bydd ar ôl amser here, fi extendio hon. That's got white on it. That's not allowed. Perffaith. Wedyn, gwasgian fe. Centre back. And now we have space. Okay. So, yn gyntaf, ni'n eisiau cymeriad ni I bod fan hyn. Exactly where he was, basically. Just turned. Actually, I'm debating just leaving him like that. Yes, okay. Insert a frame. Bydd rhain yn mynd bod un eiliad yn here, oherwydd mae'n safio ar amser in the long run. A ni'n mynd I gwneud a rotate fel hon. A dechrau lleihau. New frame. Bydd ni'n falle gwneud... Dechrau gwneud 0.5, sure. 0.5. And then ni'n mynd I symud I gael hwn I fan hyn, lleihau eto. Right. We might just put that there. Keep it more rounded. Again, 0. Fan hyn, so on, so forth. It gets a bit repetitive overall. I think what I set that to is 5. Actually half in hon. So a plan you just to keep doing this basically over and over again until you go insane. It's a pretty easy plan. In fact, Control C makes it faster. So do that. And then in fact, right, Benny Gallic Grenade is when it gets to there, goes even smaller. And here, slightly bigger. Here, gets much bigger. Okay, done probably really big already. So bydd ni angen lleihau yr amseriad, sure. Ond bydda Della, is that right? Probably. Hwn yn rhoi ni yr effaith ni'n angen if we get there eventually. How long have I done this for? 5 minutes. I still have a good few minutes left before it gets weird. We actually want this to reset now in size back to around about this size. And then off the page, like that. Getting bigger and bigger. Okay, and then byddwn ni cymryd fe nôl mewn eiliad, we'll look them around. Next picture. So, os ni'n gwasgu, okay. Dyle fe. As you can see, that looks actually pretty nice. Oh, fi'n meddwl fathau. See, hiya. Turn back. Is a good idea. Oi! Maybe in 450. See, the more gyflym na are drums, but I mean... No, it's slower than the drums. Is it faster or slower? Math. Be slower. Nope. Faster. Hefyd, hopefully am y fibre sy'n mynd off mewn y background. Probably y microphone fi ddim digon da i chi clywed fe, ond os chi'n gallu, sorry. So now, if we press play. That's what we want. So 0.45. Save it. So now ni eisiau newid y llun because we are civilized people and we don't want the same picture. Now ni eisiau fathau meddwl am e. Skimming the atmosphere. 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 Finger. Oh, like, hang on. Un now die by 100 and that wasn't it. Not that. Actually, that would be great on horror. I mean, oh, it doesn't matter. Okay, yes. So this one would be perfect. This one would be even better. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Control C. Need to write mewn. Will it just? Oh, perfect. Just click here. A mae'n llenwi tudalen. Just fel hwnna. Okay, let's just move it across a tiny bit because of OCD. Okay, so now, ni eisiau cael y cymeriad ni o drefn hyn and make the remember centre back. Now, fi'n gwneud mwy o rein. 11 munud, oh god. Dyfannu beth ti eisiau gwneud. It can be random, it can be crazy. Mae gael ei bod yn am Star Trek, Star Wars, Halo, that's a good one. Gallu gwneud mynd trwy make-up palette os ti eisiau, neu how do you spell Eiffel Tower? The Eiffel Tower. Tack box. Ti'n cael mas o rain, or like, you know, oh god no. But you know what I mean. Anything, ooh, that looks cool. Anything you want, really. Anyway, been Dylan Cross, speak well, teacher on this. All there.